Hello, Stephen O'Sullivan again, and today we're going to talk about great destinations or great locations to choose for your learner-driver journey. And we're going to focus today on the beginner phase. So if you're a beginner, you're a parent of a beginner learner-driver, and you're wondering, where do I start? What's the best location to choose? I'll admit some suburbs are better than others, but contrary to popular belief, my recommendation and our recommendation here at Trent, all of our instructors, is that we don't start in a car park. And the reason for that is that there can often be some strange driving challenges in a car park. And the other thing is it doesn't mimic the next level of driving that they're going to do. There's wide open spaces. Yes, it can feel like it's a bit safe for an empty car park on a quiet day. But when we start to teach people how to drive, what we're looking for is a figure eight, 2 square blocks is all we need. Obviously, if you can get a suburb that has lots of grid-like blocks, quiet streets, yes, we don't want too much traffic, but we want figure eights and right angle curbs. We can do so much of the beginning stuff, the starting and stopping, the pulling away from the curve, the first left-hand turns, the first right-hand turns, and we can build up a lot of competence in those foundational skills. Get our steering going, if we're learning in the manual, going up through the gears, going down through the gears. It's just the perfect environment. So we're looking for gridded streets, and depending on how far away from the city you are, we only need really 2 blocks, make a figure eight, and we can go every direction, and we can do a lot of our early stage driving in those locations. So get out Google Maps, have a look for those straight blocks, and that's your location for when you first start learning how to drive. Thank you, see you next time.